Hi y'all, and welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Corbin Wynn. I'm an sales executive here. And today we're on board the Aviara 36, the AV36. This comes equipped with Trip 300 Mercury Verados with a 209 nautical mile range, top speed of 58 miles per hour, and a fuel capacity of 214 gallons. As we are at the aft of this, we have an awesome seating arrangement where these seats can go down and you can have a full lounge with a headrest, or you can sit up here with a higher vantage point, which is super nice, and also throw it down. As we move back to the inside of the boat, we notice that we have a 10-foot and 11-inch beam, so there's ample amounts of space. This can come optioned or fitted with 2 Kenyan grills. In this one, we have one with a nice little cooler sink here, and then the sink is also here as well. One thing I'd like to point out is this has tons of storage space throughout all the cushion compartments. I would like to come back and show you that as we walked through, this little spot right here is for your fenders. Nice storage space, easy access to get those. What's really fun is you have a nice arrangement for your helm seating and the forward facing, but when you are parked and at that sandbar, you can lay this back, sit down, be comfortable, and then also a nice little trash can as well. As we move forward to the helm space, something really unique about Aviara is in the 36 is that this is going to come fitted with the joystick standard on this one as well. So you'll have your trim tabs here, nice little buttons for your horn, the SIMRAD screen, the bigger one, and then also the Aviara screen as well to control all your music, your lighting, and everything else. Moving to the bow, nice coverage window and a door block out any other wind, but also just ample amounts of space again up here. And as you can tell, it's very high, so you feel comfortable, you're not sitting low, and there's not a ton of bow rise on this boat. It will come with a windlass as well. Another thing to point out is while we're up here and going back is the speakers. This will come with 12 speakers, 2 subwoofers, and incredible amount of sound. Moving in here, we have a nice magnet to hold this door in. And as we go down, it does have an option to add a 32-inch flat screen TV. This one does have it with tons amount of space. And then as you enter into the wet head, you will notice that there's plenty amount of space for using the restroom, but also with the sink, you can retract the sink head and take a shower if needed. And folks, that is our walkthrough of the Aviara AV36. Again, my name is Corbin Wynn. Phone number is 214-215-9747. Come see me.